Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon you and God mercy and blessing. The Honorable Mrs. Nikmatuniah as lecturer in Research Methodology course and my beloved friends. Let me introduce myself. I'm Adinda Nuvitasari, NIM 3.41.20.2.01 from Diplomatry Accounting Study Program, Accounting Department. On this occasion, I would like to thank you for the opportunity given to me to present my final project entitled Determining the Cost of Production Using the Process Cost Method at PTX December 2022. There are three chapters that I want to present in this occasion. Chapter 1 is Background and the Goals, Chapter 2 Literature Review, and Chapter 3 Method of Research. Let's start from chapter 1, which is the background and the goals. They are the background of my final project. The cost of production is the sacrifice of economic research measured in unit of money that has occurred or is likely to occur to earn income. Mulyadi, 2016, page 10. Each manufacturing company has its own policy in determining the cost of production. This is because each manufacturing company has its own characteristic in producing a product and the method of its production process. PTX is a manufacturing company engaged in industrial sector. In determining the cost of production, PTX is still simply not in accordance with the proper calculation rules, namely not classifying costs in detail. This results in inequalities in determining the cost of production. Based on this background, it is necessary to conduct research on determining the cost of production using the process cost method at PTX. Next, there are formulation problem of my final project. 1. How is the cost of production calculated using the process cost method at PTX in December 2022? 2. What is the comparison between the result of calculating the cost of production using the process cost method and the calculation carried out by PTX in December 2022? Next, there are the goals of my final project. 1. To calculate the cost of production at PTX using the process cost method. 2. To compare the cost of production using the process cost method with the cost of production at PTX. And last from chapter 1 is benefit research. 1. The result of this study are expected to add insight into the knowledge of cost accounting regarding the determination of the cost of a production. 2. The research results are expected to be used as reference reading and information for further researches, especially those related to the topic of cost of production. 3. It is hoped that the result of this study can be used as material for consideration in determining the right production cost price of the company. Let's move to chapter 2, which is literature review. The literature review consists of cost of goods manufactured. The definition of cost of production according to Supriyono, 2011, page 16, is an amount that can be measured in units of money in the form of cash paid, or the value of other assets submitted or sacrificed, on the value of service provided or sacrificed, or debts incurred, or additional capital in order to own goods and services needed by the company, both in the past acquisition costs that have occurred and in the future acquisition price that will occur. Next is process cost method. The process cost method is a method of collecting product costs where costs are collected for each specific time unit. For example, month, quarter, semester, and year. In the process cost method, the company produces a product in a homogeneous, has a standard shape, and does not depend on the specification requested by the buyer. The company production activity are determined by the production budget or production schedule for a certain time unit, which is also used as the basis for the production department to carry out production. The purpose of production is to fill inventory which will then be sold to buyer. Because of the homogeneous nature of the products and its standard shape, the activity are carried out continuously or continuously. Next is job order cost method. The cost of order method is a method of collecting the cost of goods sold in which costs are collected for each order or contact or service separately, and each order or contact can be identified separately. Product processing will begin after an order arrives from a customer or buyer through a sale order document, which contains the type and quantity of product ordered, order specification, date the order was received and must be delivered. The last chapter is method of research. According to Timotheus 2017, page 5 states that the research method is a collection of procedure, schemas, and algorithms used as tools or instruments in conducting research. The function of research is to find explanation and answer the problem and provide alternatives for possibilities that can be used to solve problems. There are so many data classification on my final project. The first is classification of data based on the characteristic, which is quantitative data. The quantitative data used in research is sales data and production cost data for December 2022, which include data on raw material usage, labor costs, and factory overhead costs at PTX. Two, qualitative data. The qualitative data used in this study is a general description of the company, organizational structure, and the duties and function of each section at PTX. And database sort is primary data. The primary data included in this study is general description of the company, organizational structure, and the duties and function of each part of PTX. Secondary data, the data used in the form of sales data and production cost data for December 2022, which includes data on raw material usage, labor costs, and factory overhead costs at PTX. The next is data collection method that I use on my final project, which is interview method, documentation, and literature study. 1. Interview. In this study, interview were submitted directly to the owner of the company to obtain data information in the form of an overview of the company, the calculation of the cost production, and the production process carried out PTX. 2. Documentation. The documentation method is this study was carried out to collect document in the form of sales data and production cost data issued by PTX. And last, literature study. In this study, the literature study used was to collect and study books that were used literacy and reference material regarding cost accounting, materials, and cost of production using the process cost method. Still around the method of research, the writing method that I use to present the result of my final project are description method and exposition method. Description, Sekaran and Bogi 2017, page 111 explain that the description method is a method for collecting data that describe the characteristic of people, event, or situation. This method is used in the study of explain the general description of the company and the process of calculating the cost of production. 2. Exposition, Burhan Bungin, 2017, page 46, explained that the format of the explanation is intended of explain a generalization of the sample to the population or explain the relationship, difference or influence of one variable on another variable. The exposition method is used to explain the comparison of the result of the calculating of the cost of production according to PTX with the result of calculating the cost of production using the process cost method. That's all my presentation. I'm sorry if there is a mistake. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.